Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are staying safe at homes. As you know very well that we had started our revision from book exercises, but today I have taken the topic tenses. As you know very well that tenses are very much important from examination point of view and they carry full marks. So that is why I am starting from past tense, as most of the sections of class 10 have practiced present tense in their classes, in their physical classes. So that is why I have taken past tense today. I will discuss all the four aspects of past tense with you and then some mixed examples. Clear? So I will take the start from past indefinite. Some of the structure of past indefinite. First of all, just see Urdu identity of past indefinite. As they are four aspects of past tense. Past indefinite Urdu identity is alif, choti ye and bari ye. Positive structure of past indefinite is subject plus second form of the verb plus object. Negative structure of past indefinite is subject plus did not plus first form of the verb plus object. And interrogative structure of past indefinite is did plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object plus question mark. So it means that the second form of the verb is used only in positive sentence of past indefinite. In negative and interrogative and did is used, so we always use first form of the verb. Clear? Passive voice is equally important as active voice sentence because sometimes passive voice sentences may come in the paper in translation form. So let's see. Urdu identity will be same of passive voice and English structure subject plus was were, two helping verbs was were plus third form of the verb plus object. As you know that in passive sentence we always use third form of the verb. Passive voice sentence can be positive, can be negative, can be interrogative, can be double interrogative. Clear? See some examples of past indefinite. मैंने चाय पी. I took tea. It's positive sentence and second form of the verb is used took. हम कल दरिया पर नहीं गए. We did not go to the river yesterday. क्या पुलिस ने मजमे को मुंतशिर किया? Did the police disperse the crowd or disperse the mob? एक नई किताब खरीदी गई. Now it is passive voice sentence. Urdu identity is same at the end of the sentence. अलिफ छोटी ये बड़ी ये. Clear? एक नई किताब खरीदी गई. A new book was bought. As we have the helping verbs was and were in passive voice of past indefinite with third form of the verb. क्या मैच जीत लिया गया? Again a passive voice sentence. Was the match won? It's interrogative sentence of passive voice. Now see past continuous. Past continuous Urdu identity is रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. Positive structure of past continuous is subject plus was over plus fourth form of the verb plus object. Negative structure is subject plus was were plus not, only not is added with the helping verb and fourth form of the verb and object. Interrogative structure, the helping verb will come in the beginning, was over according to the situation, according to the sentence, then subject, then main form of the verb, that is the fourth form of the verb, object, and then at the end question mark. Passive voice of past continuous subject plus was were plus being, B-E-I-N-G, being plus third form of the verb plus object. Only being is added. B-E-I-N-G, being is added in the passive voice sentence. Urdu identity of passive voice sentence will be same at the end of the sentence. रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. Just in English, B-E-I-N-G, being is added, and throughout passive voice sentence, you know that we use third form of the verb. Some examples I am sharing with you are past continuous. चोर जेवरात चुरा रहा था. The thief was stealing the jewelry. मैं अपने दोस्तों से नहीं मिल रहा था. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. I was not meeting my friends. क्या वो तकरीब में पहुंच रही थी? इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. Was she reaching the party? जूतों की मरम्मत की जा रही थी. Now it is specified sentence. The shoes were being mended. Being is added and third form of the verb. उसकी मदद नहीं की जा रही थी. He or she was not being helped. It is also passive voice sentence, negative. Clear? Now see past perfect tense. Urdu identity of past perfect is चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे. Positive structure is subject plus had, third form of the verb and object. Now in past perfect only there is one helping verb, that is had, with all subjects, whatever nouns or pronouns had is used. Negative structure only not is added, subject plus had not, third form of the verb plus object. Interrogative structure of past perfect is had, the one helping verb that will come in the beginning of the sentence, then subject, and then third form of the verb, and then object and question mark. Passive voice of past perfect, C, subject plus had been, third form of the verb, and object. Now B double E and been is added in perfect tenses in passive. Can be negative, can be interrogative, can be double interrogative. In the case of negative, subject plus had not been, third form of the verb, and object. In case of interrogative, had will come in the beginning, then subject, then remaining helping verb been, and then third form of the verb, and then object. See the examples. मरीज मर चुका था. The patient had died. मैंने उसे माफ़ नहीं किया था. I had not forgiven him. क्या वो लैम्प जला चुका था? Had he lighted the lamp? Interrogative sentence. काम ख़त्म किया जा चुका था. Now it passive voice sentence of past perfect. The work had been finished. फूल क्यों तोड़ा जा चुका था? Now it's passive voice double interrogative. क्यों? Why? Why had the flower been plucked? Now see, past perfect continuous. Its Urdu identity of same is of same past continuous, रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे, but अर्सा ये मुद्दत must be there. Time period is mentioned there. Yeah, so students usually get confused in past perfect continuous या perfect continuous tenses. Clear? So time period must be there. Urdu identity same, रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. Clear? Positive structure of past perfect continuous is subject plus had been, fourth form of the verb, object, and then for or since. Use of for and since is there. Negative structure, subject plus had not been plus fourth form of the verb plus object plus for and since. Only not is added after first helping verb. We always use not after first helping verb. Had not been. Interrogative structure of past perfect continuous is had. Only first helping verb will come in the beginning, then subject, then been, then fourth form of the verb, then object, and then for and since. And you must know that perfect continuous tense cannot be changed into passive. Clear? No perfect continuous tense, whether present, past, or future, they cannot be changed into passive voice. So there is no passive voice of past perfect continuous. See the examples. शिकारी कई माह से जाल बिछा रहा था. The hunter had been setting net for several months. या setting trap for several months. वो हमें 15 दिन से नसीहत नहीं कर रहे थे. They had not been advising us for 15 days. Now some examples, some mixed examples of past tense I will share with you. Let's see. Though I have already solved, but you must try, okay? Must practice. They are mixed sentences. वो कहानी सुना रहे थे. They were telling a story. It's past continuous. अकील ने खबरें नशर की. अकील broadcast the news. Now it's past indefinite. क्या खालिद ग़ुरूब आफ्ताब से मछलियाँ पकड़ रहा था? Sometimes such kind of sentences usually come in the papers. मछलियाँ पकड़ रहा था, you will solve first. It will be past perfect and then past indefinite. मछलियाँ पकड़ रहा था. क्या खालिद मछलियाँ पकड़ रहा था? Had Khalid been catching fish? ग़ुरूब आफ्ताब से since sunset. सूरज निकलने से पहले मैं सुबह की नमाज़ पढ़ चुका था. मैं सुबह की नमाज़ पढ़ चुका था. You will translate first. I had offered morning prayer. सूरज निकलने से पहले it will be past indefinite before the sun rose. अजनबी आदमी को धोखा दिया जा रहा था. Now it is passive voice and रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. You can know that it is continuous. Clear? So it is the passive voice of continuous. The stranger was being deceived. Identity of tense is very much important. Only then you can translate it properly and correctly. Clear? क्या मेहमानों को चाय पेश की गई? Were the guests served tea? Or it can be translated like was tea served to the guest? Both are correct. क्या वो 3 साल से तुम्हारा मुकदमा लड़ता रहा था? Had he been pleading your case for 3 years? Now it is showing time period is showing 3 साल से. Though at the end लड़ता रहा था या लड़ रहा था, same identity of future sorry past continuous, but time period is mentioned 3 साल से, so it means that it is not simple continuous but perfect continuous. So had he been pleading your case for 3 years? It's question sentence. मेरे घर आने से पहले बावर्ची नहीं जा चुका था. The cook had not gone before I reached home. So they were the mixed sentences of past tense. Students, you must practice tenses, okay? If you want to get command on tenses, so the only way is to practice. Okay, this was enough for today. Stay safe at home. Allah Hafiz.